Ethereum, is now the time to be taking profits? It might be. If you like today's video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because now is a crucial time when it comes to Bitcoin, but Ethereum tends to mirror Bitcoin. And if you've seen the analysis on Bitcoin, it's been really sensitive time, and Ethereum, we need to really be paying attention. If you don't know me by now, my name is Jagir. I'm the award-winning author of The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro. Been trading crypto for 4 years now, but I was formerly trading currencies featured in the best-selling book, High Probability Trading Strategies, back in 2008. So let's now dive in, straight in. Today's gonna be a quick, sharp video on Ethereum. On the 27th of August, we posted a video, said, look, Ethereum looks like it's making a nice movement up and we should anticipate a correction. So today we're gonna just continue the story to see what happened next. But keep in mind, we're in the game of probabilities and not certainties. So let's dive in. Right, so this was the last video and we said, look, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we can see that there's been another extension of this wave here, over here. Now, a confirmation of the high being made, we need a swing low to be taken out, and that hasn't happened yet. So now we're just going to update this information, right? Because that's what we need to do. We just, if the market gives us more information, we just need to update it. So now it looks like this is the wave 5 high. This still is the wave 4, and this is the wave 3. That's what it looks like to me. There's a few key pieces of information that we now have that we didn't have before. Firstly, the weekly momentum. Top left-hand corner, it is clearly bearish. The blue line is way below the red, and that tells us the market should be sideways to down for the next few weeks. We can't ignore the fact that Bitcoin has, from a technical standpoint, is showing signs of weakness, and we are expecting, that's the opinion of the market right now, as far as I'm concerned, expecting a big pullback on when it comes to Bitcoin, and Ethereum and Bitcoin tend to mirror each other to a certain degree. So now let's just keep focused on the daily chart, top right hand corner. Let's just update the price. So we've had a new high. There's a few key things that we need to acknowledge. First of all, this last big movement to the downside from around $4,000 down to $3,200 is bigger than any former move to the downside. That normally is the first indication, it's called overbalance of price, that the trend has reversed short term in terms of sideways to down. We then also need to take the macro picture into account. Like when we're looking at this, what context are we looking at? Well, I'm looking with the context of Elliot Wave and Fibonacci. This is what I'm looking at. Elliot Wave shows markets tend to move in a 5-wave sequence and then an ABC correction. I believe with Ethereum, we are at this stage of the market, this ABC correction. So when I'm looking at this leg down looks like the first move. It's a really strange type of wave B. It's not very clear. It's like this B. This is here. In fact, sorry. This is our day. I haven't even updated this. We need to look at this and going. So I'm just reevaluating because I haven't done my analysis on Ethereum for a short while. There's gonna be one of two things that we should expect to happen. Either we're gonna get a short-term correction in Ethereum, or we're gonna get a deep correction and the wave 4 is actually going to complete down here. At this stage, we don't know. We just know that it's going to be sideways, likely to be sideways to down for the next 3 or 4 weeks. But what we're going to do today is focus on what is the minimum expectation for Ethereum from a downward perspective. And if it reaches that point, we can reevaluate the data and get more information. So firstly, we should always anticipate a minimum of 3 waves when it comes to a correction. And it looks like we've got the first. It looks like we're forming a nice A, B, C correction of the second, and we should anticipate another leg down. I want to just change this indicator. Let's just see if it's this one. Yeah. This one tends to catch the highs and lows much better. You can see that over here. The next bearish reversal will probably coincide. So the next day or two, we'll probably see the high, and then 3 to 4, 5 days sideways to down. But as that unfolds, if it's an extension, it's like a really aggressive move down, then that will give us vital information. But at the moment, we just don't have that information. But what I would anticipate, so we are clear that we can plan, is we're likely to move from around $3,600 to below $2,800, but maybe even as low as $2,200 as a minimum. And as that unfolds, then we can reevaluate the market. So as a quick update today, Ethereum, just to be very, very mindful, we are at this pivotal point. If I just bring up, I think I've got it up here. Have I got it here? Yeah, if I just bring up Bitcoin for a second, just go really into this immediate chart data. This is what we're anticipating with Bitcoin, a really deep correction based on the macro picture. And we can pretty much rely that Ethereum kind of mirrors Bitcoin to a certain degree, and we can expect something very, very similar. So there you have it, a quick one. Ethereum, be very mindful. This high could be a crucial point, and we may see that low, because my last video, the title was Ethereum to drop below 2,500 within the next month. So that was on August 27th. Now we did get a slightly higher high. That's what we got, which was over here. But now I think we may be on track for getting that 2,500 and below. So it might be a great opportunity to buy Ethereum on the dip. If you've got a lot already, just be prepared and just have your plan in play. So if you like today's video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. And if you haven't already, take my free Elliot Wave and Fibonacci masterclass that just shows you how to read the markets in a very objective manner. See you soon.